working and dreaming. Teacher, doctor, farmer, police officer, nurse, florist, sculptor, window cleaner, driver, chef, shopkeeper, cashier, waiter, waitress, hairdresser, mechanic, plumber, cleaner, carpenter, builder, gardener, security guard, engineer, architect, scientist, pilot, lawyer, soldier, banker, secretary, accountant, manager, singer, dancer, actor, artist, musician, actress, photographer, designer, painter, fashion designer, author, postman, fisherman, baker, tailor, butcher, coach, dentist, delivery person, librarian, pilot's assistant, receptionist, astronaut, optician, translator, judge, pharmacist, interpreter, politician, tour guide, news reporter, diplomat, flight attendant, travel agent, journalist, publisher, film director, cameraman, editor, producer, TV presenter, surgeon, orthodontist, babysitter, kindergarten teacher, radio host, horse trainer, beekeeper, lifeguard, swimming coach, ski instructor, shepherd, jeweler, watchmaker, potter, electrician, firefighter, veterinarian, classroom, library, computer lab, art room, science lab, music room, sports field, auditorium, gymnasium, playground, cafeteria, restroom, principal's office, teacher's lounge, schoolyard, hallway, locker room, nurse's office, assembly hall, parking lot, desk, chair, teacher's desk, blackboard, whiteboard, bookshelf, cupboard, smartboard, bulletin board, locker, clock, projector, screen, globe, map, trash can, recycling bin, notebook, window, door, light switch, textbook, pen, pencil, eraser, sharpener, ruler, workbook, protractor, compass, calculator, crayons, colored pencils, markers, chalk, paintbrush, scissors, glue stick, highlighter, paints, tape, binder, stapler, paper clips, folder, hole puncher, index cards, backpack, lunchbox, sticky notes, student, vice principal, counselor, principal, school nurse, janitor, art teacher, science teacher, music teacher, substitute teacher, homework, chalk dust, bell, report card, exam paper, notice board, trophy case, school uniform, diploma, student ID card, graduation cap, car, school bus, pickup truck, taxi, bus, minivan, delivery van, ambulance, garbage truck, fire truck, police car, limousine, camper van, ice cream truck, tow truck, cement mixer truck, dump truck, tanker truck, armored vehicle, shuttle bus. convertible car, trolleybus, SUV, passenger train, freight train, tram, monorail, train, subway, steam locomotive, diesel locomotive, electric train, light rail, high-speed train, cable car, mine cart, hand car, bicycle, tricycle, funicular railway, scooter, baby stroller, golf cart, quad bike, dirt bike, go-kart, rickshaw, kayak, yacht, boat, sailboat, canoe, rowboat, speedboat, jet ski, catamaran, ferry, cruise ship, cargo ship, oil tanker, submarine, battleship, container ship, fishing boat, hovercraft, raft, jet plane, cargo plane, aircraft carrier, airplane, passenger plane, seaplane, hot air balloon, fighter jet, stealth bomber, helicopter, glider, paraglider, hang glider, drone, horse-drawn carriage, space shuttle, rocket, snowmobile, cable ferry, delivery truck, tractor, moped, souvenir, luggage trolley, passport, carry-on bag, belt bag fanny pack, debit card, handbag, cash, coins, travel insurance, power bank, check-in desk, magazine, travel pillow, sunscreen, binoculars, postcard, blanket, sleep mask, boarding pass, suitcase, visa, duffel bag, ticket, toothbrush, toothpaste, credit card, video camera, wallet, keychain, garment bag, camera tripod, boarding gate, window seat, airplane seat, laptop bag, camera bag, t-shirt, pants, shorts, dress, skirt, jacket, sweater, coat, hat, cap, sunglasses, scarf, gloves, belt, shoes, sandals, boots, swimsuit, pajamas, socks, soap, shampoo, conditioner, comb, hairbrush, razor, mobile phone, deodorant, phone charger, laptop, tablet, camera, headphones, adapter plug, purse, earphones, travel guide, book, water bottle, ID card, security check, runway, bus stop, umbrella, travel games, playing cards, diary,